Hey guys, I think this is going to be a pretty quick video. So basically, my immortal tees used to get chewed up a lot, pulled into the propellers because, you know, by nature they're a little flexible. So during a crash or whatever, they always wind up getting chewed up by the props. So something I've been doing is to take a zip tie and to cut it to the length of the antenna, put on some heat shrink tubing, and run your cut zip tie through the top of all of this. So basically the zip tie will keep your antenna pretty rigid while still being kind of flexible enough to, you know, bend during crashes. But it will prevent it from being sucked up into the props. And even if the props do hit it, the zip tie at the top will protect your antenna from most of the prop strikes. And once completed, I think it actually has a really good, clean look to it. I haven't really noticed any negative side effects of it, like blocking signal or anything like that. I seem to get great range still. So I hope this tip helps someone. I'm sure a lot of you guys already do something like this, but just in case, I wanted to throw it out there.